reaching like it's your last chance. So I want to be the gun when the bullet jams and you realize you're playing with. Still in your hands and you're feeling like a man or a woman. Well, in that case, look them straight in the face because it's a name you're about to erase. Just remember, it's their soul you can't replace. Now tell me, where's your heart? Maturity to your mind, that was seems far apart. So now I want to be Lauryn Hill and tell you about the final hour. Slipping into darkness, allowing evil to devour your being. Clout your mind to keep you from seeing. Are you seeing wrong from right? Poising, posturing, and preparing your mind to believe that this facade is a real fight. So let's take this moment to see the light. Your environment is scummy and they all look at you like you're a dummy. So caught up in the streets, you lost sight of your dreams. So now you're scattered brain. Fears of brains scattered on walls. Souls tattered. Victims of society's natural woes. Fallen bodies to status quo. He, she, they no longer look to a brighter future. Just trying to make it through the day. See, when it rains, it pours.
Right.
Feeling the pain push through pores, open sores like open wounds. Understand that from womb to tomb, casket lineups number more than fetal jars on doctors' floors. See, bodies are pushed, pulled, scooped from uneducated youth's internal rooms. Distasteful, shameful thoughts of previous actions, but repeated. So children raise children, resulting in misguided lives deprived of wisdom-bearing fruit. A treat it will be to see positivity amongst poverty. But until we see he, she, them take a stance for righteousness' sake, pull up reality and push back that which is fake, our future is burdened by a less brighter generation. A generational curse. But what's worse is the lack of willingness to break what seems to be an endless cycle of fameless fortune seekers. Let's search deeper within, find a greater purpose in life regardless of day-to-day strife. Seek knowledge and wisdom, for in that search, one can find self. And self-worth is much greater than materialistic possessions. For brightened souls seek not repossession, but look forward to an eternal reposition in God's everlasting kingdom. So until that last breath, breathe the sweet nectar of a better today, a brighter tomorrow, for sorrow, like misery, enjoys its own company. So accompany me in a revolution. Let's revolt against stereotypes in mainstream America. Let us remember, learn, evaluate, and reconstruct before we as a people self-destruct. Let us not just focus on our present, for our present circumstances does not constitute our future. Our future is in the hands of our youth. So let us pass down wisdom, understanding, and truth. Make them aware of not only our successes, but our failures too. Understand that success has a great reliance on past and present failures. Taking that which we learn and expose it to the light for proper observation. Then with true concentration, we try not to repeat that which ended in defeat. And understand that defeat and failure are not true conclusion, but a mere illusion of a timeless plot against the mind, causing monstrous contusions. So let us step into a state of disillusion, grasp onto faith like a child clinging to its mother, and uncover life's truth, and realize it's our lives we're gambling with. Are we not creatures of curiosity that searching for definition and reason? Then why must we settle for mediocrity? Why must we let well enough alone? Dare to be different. Dare to stand out. And as I quote Frantz Fanon, dare to be a mind raging against the dying of the light.
Indeed.